Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to ARH Design Academy. I hope you all are doing well. So, जैसे हमारा बात हुआ था that you guys want a session on elements and principles of design. Plus काफ़ी लोग a lot of you were interested in the mentorship program and were asking if there is a batch coming up. तो मैं सोच रहा था पिछले एक दो दिनों से I was thinking कि how can I combine these two things and give you the most optimized experience. So this is what we are going to do. We have 3 sessions on 10th, 11th and 12th of June. On 10th of June we are going to do introduction to composition and elements of design. On 11th of June we are going to do principles of design, and on 12th of June we are going to do color theory. So we have a total of 3 sessions. Now these three sessions are absolutely free. There is no hidden charges, there is no registration, there is no data collection. तुम्हारा number, नाम, all these things don't happen. When I say that these sessions are free, they are absolutely free. These sessions will be conducted on Zoom because I am more comfortable on that platform. The timing of this session will be from 12 noon to 2 p.m. कभी 90 मिनट्स का हो सकता है, कभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो सकता है, बट जनरली 12 से 2 के बीच में सेशन रहेंगे. एंड देर विल बी नो चार्जेस एज आई सेड. If you are interested in that, you will receive the further updates. Don't worry about that. And so that was the free sessions. If you are interested in something more than that, if you are interested in a mentorship program where I guide you and help you get a good score in NATA in the last 30 days, along with my study material and test series, so there is a batch coming up, and I will talk about that in a few seconds. But if you are not interested, it's totally fine. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. These are free sessions. If you are not comfortable, you don't need to worry. तुम्हारा जो drawing reviews और mini test है वो continuously चलता ही रहेगा. And just in case you are watching this after the sessions are done, you also don't need to worry. I will put the recorded sessions in a playlist on our channel, so you can watch it maybe later as well. So this was about free sessions, and now let's get into the upcoming batch. Okay. So the batch I'm talking about, the NATA crash course, or as I like to call it, ARCC 21T4, AR for architecture, CC for crash course 21 because of 2021, and T4, that is term 4, because we already have T1, T2, T3 batches running in, and this most probably will be my last batch for this particular session. So the batch officially starts from 14th of June, and this is the schedule of the batch. So as I said, 10th, 11th, 12th, you have the demo sessions, and after that there is a 1 day gap. I think 3 sessions पे तुम्हें अच्छा idea आ जाएगा about my methodology and if you want to join or not. You have Sunday to think. The batch will start from Monday, and the sessions will continue from 14th of June to 10th of July. Around 24 days we get, out of which 21 days are reserved for teaching and 3 days are buffer. अगर कुछ हो जाता है, if I'm not feeling well or if I'm not able to conduct a lecture, there is a 3 day cushioning that we have. तो अगर कुछ गड़बड़ भी हो जाता है, so we have an extra sessions for that as well. Now this is a NATA specific batch, so in this batch there will not be mathematics and drawing included because that is not part of NATA. जो JEE का पार्ट है लेकिन NATA का पार्ट नहीं है, तो मैथमेटिक्स के सेशंस और ड्राइंग के सेशंस नहीं होंगे. आई माइट डू द रिव्यू ऑफ योर ड्राइंग्स, बट टीचिंग पार्ट नहीं होगा बिकॉज नाटा में ये नहीं है. एंड द कोर्स कंटेंट इज डिजाइन्ड स्पेसिफिकली अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नाटा शेड्यूल. So let me give you an idea that what's going to be included in the course. So the course content can be divided into 3 main categories. The first one is architecture aptitude, so in which we will have a lot of theory about famous buildings, famous monuments, India, world, famous architects, architectural terms, the technical aspect of architecture and construction. Basically all technical and general aptitude along with theory of design, which is color theory, elements of design, principles of design. Obviously जो 3 सेशन हम कर रहे हैं उससे थोड़ा एडवांस में इसमें होगा because this is behind the paywall, and which also includes famous paintings, painters, architectural styles, architectural movements also, जो इस बार एग्जाम में आया था. ये काफ़ी मटेरियल मैंने रिवाइज किया है इस बार फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस वन. तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन आर्किटेक्चर एप्टीट्यूड. इन मेंटल एबिलिटी, विच इज अनदर मेजर पोर्शन ऑफ द एग्जाम, देर विल बी मेजर 4 सब पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस. दैट इज वर्बल एबिलिटी, जो अब तक पार्ट नहीं था मेरे नाटा कोर्स का, लेकिन बिकॉज नाटा में काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आ गए थे कॉम्प्रहेंशन पे और जनरल इंग्लिश पे, तो ये मैंने नया ऐड किया है. नॉन वर्बल एबिलिटी रहेगा, रीजनिंग रहेगा, वर्बल रीजनिंग एंड नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग एंड मेंटल एबिलिटी रहेगा. So these are the major pillars of your mental ability. Plus there will be a lot of puzzle solving, mostly from PDFs only, but काफ़ी ज़्यादा अमाउंट है उसका. स्पेशल एबिलिटी रहेगा, प्लान, एलिवेशन, साइड एलिवेशन, नंबर ऑफ फेसेस, folding, unfolding, all these things will be included there, along with, as I said, puzzles and riddles will be there. So this section I have decided to add a lot of fresh topics according to my understanding of the paper pattern, and this includes me explaining some basic topics to you and then you practicing. So there are around 3000 to 2500 to 3000 questions that you will be solving. It is not very difficult honestly to find such material on the internet, काफ़ी easily available है. But क्या किस पे प्रैक्टिस करना है, किस पे फोकस करना है, किस पे नहीं करना, यहाँ पे मेरा एक्सपर्टीज तुम्हें काम में आएगा. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द टेस्ट सीरीज. सो यू माइट नो दैट वी हैड द मिनी टेस्ट फॉर अप्रैल अटेम्प्ट और काफ़ी लोगों ने काफ़ी पसंद किया था उसको, काफ़ी हेल्प भी हुआ था उसका. एग्जैक्टली वो पैटर्न नहीं आया था बट कुछ क्वेश्चंस आए थे और थ्योरी वाइज भी हेल्प हुआ था. तो नाउ वी हैव अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ what might come in the exam and otherwise also. So there will be 8 full tests on the new NATA 2021 pattern. This test will be solved and explained in great detail. जैसे हम मिनी टेस्ट कर रहे हैं वो और डिटेल में होगा along with previous years papers of JEE paper 2, SEED and USEED and other related exam. So this all will be included in your course content. So this is a very general understanding of the overall course content. I cannot give you the full information here. If you are interested, please let me know. I will send you the program document. मेरा नंबर होगा तुम्हारे पास, अगर नहीं है तो व्हाट्सएप मेरा नंबर है नीचे, व्हाट्सएप कर दो. आई विल सेंड यू द प्रोग्राम डॉक्यूमेंट which has all the necessary details that you need to know. Also about the fees for this batch is going to be a total of 8,000 rupees. लास्ट टाइम जो दूसरा बैच चल रहा है, T3 बैच चल रहा है, उसका मैंने फीस मेंशन नहीं किया था तो काफ़ी केओस हुआ था. एंड या सो दैट्स अबाउट द ओवरऑल बैच. नाउ इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद द अमाउंट, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू जॉइन द क्लास और फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन, इफ यू आर जस्ट नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. तुम लोग तुम्हारे फ्री सेशन अटेंड कर लो. योर मिनी टेस्ट एंड ड्राइंग रिव्यूज विल कंटिन्यू एंड कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. द सेशंस आर फ्री, नो स्ट्रिंग अटैच्ड एज आई सेड. इफ you are not sure, if you want to join the class with me, or if you are not sure about my teaching methodology, wait till your 3 sessions. देखो कि तुम्हें समझता है क्या, because sometimes it happens that what I teach and the way I teach and the way you understand, there is a difference. So there is no point investing each other's time. So wait till your sessions and then take your decision. And if you want to join the batch, you send me you let me know. I'll give you the program documents and we get the formalities done and we'll get the setup done right away. Okay, so that was about the batches. You have your free sessions on 10th, 11th and 12th. The official batch starts on 14th. You have all the details in this video. And so that's about it. That's been my time today. The mini test 4 is coming up tomorrow, and the review of the mini test 3 you will see maybe mostly by tonight. So yeah, that being said, take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Expect more.
Experience magic.